Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I am Terry. So today I will be doing this makeup look right here with this bright neon winged liner. So if you guys are interested on how I did this look, keep on watching.
Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away, lose ourselves.
So jumping in, I'm going in with the Alyssa Edwards and ABH Cosmetics color palette. I'm using my first shade. This is Back Rose, and I'm taking that into my crease area and I will be blending that out. Next, I'm going in with Beast, and I am taking that below that first shade and I'm packing that on, and then I will be going back in with my brush that I used first with Back Rose, and I will be blending those two colors together. I'm also taking Back Rose under Beast and I will be blending everything together. I added Beast just to add some depth. Next, I'm going in with the Supreme, and this is a very light brownish color, and I'm just using that on top of Back Rose, and I am blending out the edge of that makeup. So now I'm going in with concealer. This is the Black Opal concealer in Honey, and I'm just using that I'm just adding that right into the tear duct area right there, and I'm patting that in so that I can add my other shadow. Next, I'm going in with HOE, and this is a very light brown color. It's actually the same color as the concealer that I used, so that's very natural looking, and I blend that in with the other colors. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline pencil and I am using that to create my half wing, and then I'm going in with my pencil brush and I'm blending that out. I'm also going back in with concealer and I am adding that to my lower lash line. Right here, I'm mapping out where I want to put my neon pigment color. So I'm just taking my time with a small brush and I'm just drawing out how I want my wing to look. I'm going in with this neon pigment. It is a neon yellow color. I got this pigment from my local beauty supply store. So I'm just taking my time, and it is loose pigment, so it will be flying all over the place. So I'm just taking my time and I'm just packing that in.
Take a hit, take another one. Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away, lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love.
So this liner is very dramatic. I did pull it right up to where my brows are, and now I'm just going in with a wipe and I am cleaning under where I put that pigment just to neaten it up some more. So I'm just doing the same thing on the other eye. I just go in and clean that up also.
Take another one. Let it in, let it fill you up. Make a wish, make another one. Don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away, lose ourselves and say everything on our minds is okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love's all we need.
Now I wanted the neon pigment to blend in on the top part of my lid as well, so I went in with some concealer right on the edge of my wing liner, and then I packed that neon pigment on top of that concealer just to connect the bottom to the top. Now I'm going in with my mascara and I will be applying my lashes off camera. Now onto the face, I'm going in with the Ediger Pro Concealer as usual, and this is in Fawn. I'm just taking that to all the parts of my face that I would like to be highlighted. Now I'm going in with my foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 355 Coconut. I'm going in with my contour color, and this is from the Cream Shop palette, and I'm taking the darkest color from that palette, and I'm just applying that to all the parts of my face I'd like to contour. Now time to blend. I am using my small flat brush to blend the concealer under where I did my pigment, and I'm taking my time here, and this also helps to sharpen up that liner. Now I'm going in with my sponge and I am blending out my foundation. This is a damp beauty sponge. And I'm just pouncing that on my face, or bouncing, patting, whatever. I'm just using that motion. I'm not rubbing the skin because I don't want to move the foundation off of my face. So next I'm going in with my concealer brush that I used to blend out my concealer, and I am blending out that concealer under my eyes. I go in with a brush first so that it can diffuse into my skin seamlessly and it won't have this harsh line. Then I go over with my small blending brush. Then I go over with my small beauty sponge. It is also damp, and I take my time and I press that concealer into my face. I'm going to Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I am setting under my eyes first. So now I'm just going in and I'm blending out that concealer that is on my nose, and I also go in and I blend out the contour color as well. Is blended, I go in with the sponge that I used to blend out my foundation, and I pat on top of that contour color so that it can further blend into my skin. So once that is down, I am going in with some more Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I am setting the rest of the parts that I had concealer on my face. I'm going with the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder, and I am setting the rest of my face, or where I applied foundation, and I am just patting that in, and then I further blend. I also take that powder right to the sides of my nose where I had my contour, and now I'm going in with my settings mist. This is the Vanilla Sugar and Raspberry Facial Mist that I'm using to set my makeup. Now onto the lips. As usual, I go in with my brown pencil first to line my lips, and also I will be dragging that liner into towards the center of my lips. I'm taking it from like each corners and I'm dragging it in towards the center of my lips. So this will like create like an ombre effect. Next I'm going with this Kiss Proof lippy, and it's a matte light pink lippy, and I'm just adding that right into the center of my lips and I'm blending that out. I'm going back in with the Maybelline Enthralling Nude Lippy, and I'm just adding that on top. I'm going with the Glow palette from Beauty Creations, and I'm taking the lightest shade from that palette to highlight. I'm also using my finger to add some of that highlight on the bridge of my nose. I realized that this made it more pigmented and shiny, you know. So now I'm just going in with that same color right into the tear duct area of my eyes. And this is a finished look, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be more than happy to see you in another video. Also, if you guys are interested in how I achieve this hair look, it will be linked in the description down below, so you can check that out, or in the high cards. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.